Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur.
I'm Ajay.
Hi, I'm Neha.
Alright, so I have Neha and Ajay with me for a Rebus puzzle quiz today. Alright, as you all know what Rebus puzzle is, what you see sometimes might not exactly be what it is. There might be a hidden message inside it. So let's start off the puzzle today. Alright, so are you guys ready for today's quiz?
Yes.
Okay, let's see how smartly they are able to decode the puzzles today. So let's start with the first one. Alright, let's go. The first one is. Okay, so you have to kind of think this is a word. It could either be a word or a phrase. So, you need to guess the word. This one's a word, not a phrase though.
Load.
Land?
Okay, load.
Yeah,
Okay.
load is fine. But
Load then. But, okay, how is the load? As in, how do you read it? How can you see it?
Load. Load.
How is it written? How is it
okay,
written?
in shapes.
No, I mean not how is it written in the sense generally if you read load it's going to be like a word
Heavy
like
load.
this. Okay, you're kinda
Truckload.
No, there's a truck here. I mean I would have had an image.
Vertical load.
No. You're kinda close.
And
What
then
would be the
vertical.
opposite?
Horizontal load.
Vertical. Okay.
Opposite
Standing
vertical,
load.
horizontal.
No. Another go. What else? It's a single word. So what you guys are saying are two different words. It's a single word. This one.
Workload.
Standalone.
Workload.
No, there's no work. Okay, you're close. Okay, let me give you a clue. The
Download.
Yes,
got it.
Load is written up to
Okay,
down, so download it is.
Okay, yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. Download it is. All right.
Okay.
So now you guys will get a hang of it slowly.
Correct.
All right. Let's go to the next one.
Long legs.
Oh, awesome!
You were bound to get it.
Long legs, yes, exactly. So 2 legs there, long ones. All right, long legs it is. All right, guys. Let's go to the next one.
Let this not be the only answer you guessed, okay?
Okay, probably. Let's see. He might just turn it into a big competition. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Thanks a
Million
million.
thanks.
You're kind of close. Not exactly what I'm looking at. Bring it down from the million a bit. What do we
Thanks
generally?
a thousand.
Not in the numbers. Not in the numbers.
Thanks a lot.
Thankful.
Exactly.
Oh,
Thanks a
yeah.
lot. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. Thanks a million is a kind of more of a slang we use these days. But yeah, many thanks or thanks a lot is what generally it is. All right. Let's go to the next one. Thanks 1,000. Getting over it. All right. Next one, guys. Okay, this is a little, I mean, you'll have to tweak it a bit, not exactly what you see
This is
here.
the symbol of a
Reindeer.
brand logo and all that.
Ah.
वैसा है क्या?
No, it's a reindeer.
So it's a phrase. Okay, so upar you can read what is written, and the one below it is what you will have to kind of decode. You told what animal it is.
Yeah.
Huh. So if you bring it together, what could it be?
Don't hide deer.
No reindeer.
Is there a phrase like that? I am totally unaware.
No idea.
Exactly. See, no idea only what this could be.
No
Just-
idea.
So deer.
Reindeer.
So it's like when you bring it idea, no idea. So you make it a phrase like that. So decoding of secret messages.
This is too much of brain usage.
Yeah. Obviously, thoda bahut you have to use, na? Okay, no idea. It is. All right. Let's go to the next one.
Me first. Na first.
What do we
I thought this was very simple. Have you guys got it yet? Okay, what's written? Read.
Na fish.
Okay,
Na
how many
fish.
times is it written?
Tuna fish.
Tuna fish.
Tuna fish. So that's a kind of a fish.
Hello, we are
Tuna
vegetarians,
fish.
okay? You can't expect us to know
I
that.
was going to give you a clue by then.
Actually, I guessed it tuna, but then I was just trying to connect. The moment you said like, okay, tuna
It's
fish.
a
is
type
there.
of a
It's
fish.
yeah, tuna.
It's a type of a
That
fish.
tuna I
Eat,
could get
exactly.
actually.
Tuna fish.
I don't know why I didn't
Twice
say it.
written, tuna fish it is.
It came into my
Alright.
head though, yeah.
Okay.
Tuna fish.
The next one, guys. Ready?
For language.
Okay. Kind of close. Okay, you said where is the four?
Middle language.
No.
Second language.
The four is still there. And if it's the four, how can it be second language? I would have had two no in between. Where is it?
Center language. Center.
Oh, you're going beyond. Think it more simpler. If I actually tell you the word, I might just give it out.
Lang for rich. Lang.
No, you're kind of close. Okay, the first one, what you said. You have to add something there to make it a meaningful phrase. That's all. You said
Multi-language. Multilingual.
Form the language. For the language.
for language. Okay.
Ah.
Now there is something. Where is the? You said for because of the four here.
Yeah.
Correct. Where is the four?
Middle. For the
Not
middle.
exactly in the
Center,
middle, but
middle.
Lang for age.
it is in between the language. Correct. Language.
Ah.
The four is there in between. So I kind of gave you the word. So for
Between the language. Between the words.
no, the language is correct. Your for language is correct. You have to kind of. Okay, let me give you a clue differently.
In the language.
Languages that are spoken out of your country.
Foreign language.
So I said in
Oh.
language,
Oh,
foreign language,
foreign
like that.
language.
Alright. So when I said in between, in.
Ooh.
So the four is in the language. That is how it is.
Okay.
That is how it is. Think a little out of the box.
Ah,
Not exactly.
okay,
So that's
okay.
Not a little, you don't have to think of it.
so that's why I said sometimes what you see is not what
Yeah.
exactly it is.
Okay,
Alright.
okay.
Foreign language it is. Alright. Okay, ready guys? Next one.
Old age.
Middle-aged.
Middle aged. When you say old age, how does that come
Correct,
from? Middle aged. So because the middle
yeah,
one is the only one underlined, middle aged it is. Alright. Okay. Next one. Getting into the groove, you guys. Yes. Let's go to the next one. This one's very simple.
Red Sea, Arabian Sea, Black Sea.
So then what is that?
Ocean.
Arctic Ocean.
You just give the answer.
Red Sea, Arabian Sea, Black Sea.
That's and this is what?
Saw.
So
Arabian. Red Sea, correct. Even I
Red
saw
Sea,
that
Arabian
only.
Sea,
Red
Black
Sea,
Sea.
Arabian Sea, Black Sea. So.
Red Sea, Arabian Sea, Black Sea.
So the what is the what is the common word in all the three?
Sea.
Seesaw.
See, so you are Black Sea. You guys are saying it again and again. Oh God, guys. Seesaw.
Okay.
As simple as that. All right.
It's not simple.
See. All I had to say was what is the common word here? Seesaw it is. Okay. Right. Seesaw it is. Okay. Next one, guys. Ready?
Alphabets.
No. Okay. Even before I could say. Give a little, there might be something which is not there. So just see the alphabets keenly.
U is not there.
So what could it be? What could the phrase be? Oh God, you just know it.
Miss you.
Yes, it is. Miss you. There is no you there. See, I gave a big clue, okay?
Ah.
I thought the second he said you is not there, you're going to say miss you or
Correct.
missing you. So yes, the you is missing, miss you it is.
This is too much.
You
Very
guys guess
technical.
it. Exactly. Okay, right. Let's go to the next one. Okay.
Water drop. Waterfall.
Waterfall. Okay, water drop nahi, but yes,
Waterfall.
it is a waterfall.
Yeah, I got
See,
it.
I
this
was
one you
thinking
got
of
very
still and
easily.
sparkling water. I forgot about
Still in Europe, not come back to India. Okay, waterfall it is. The water is falling down.
yeah.
So waterfall.
This was the simplest of all.
for you. He was still thinking only.
Because he was in Europe only.
Okay, next one. Ready?
Smiley. Good smile.
No. Is that a smiley? What is it?
Good eye.
You're kind of close.
Good eyes.
What are the eyes doing?
Goodbye.
What are the eyes doing?
Good looks. Good looks. I was just saying eyes, but I was just trying to connect. What could it be?
They
Good
मेरे
looks.
साथ prompt जाने के लिए
Yeah.
3 चीजें बहुत जरूरी है.
Correct.
Good looks.
वो तू बोलती तो भी मैं ही guess करती. He wouldn't have even known what you're talking about.
Bollywood connection, very difficult for him to find out.
Good looks.
Okay, good looks. Okay, let's go to the next one. So it could have been good looking or good looks. Either was right. Okay, next one.
Go up. Upstairs. Move up.
Kind of close. See, you're saying up after. See how the pictures are placed also.
Two up.
Again, you're saying, that's what I'm saying. Where it is placed also is important. So you're saying up later. Where is the up?
Uplift. Up you.
Very close you are.
Up youth.
No. Oh God, I thought this was
Up
the easiest,
you.
even easier than the waterfall.
Up.
Up.
Go up.
No.
Upstairs. Go up.
What is after the up?
You.
How many of them?
Look up.
Up to you.
Up to you.
So there are two U's. No, so you have to say look
Up
again.
to you.
Look up is again the up. is
Actually, you know
later.
what?
How they are.
I'm not
placed.
getting that phrase bit of it. I'm only trying to kind of connect words. Now it okay. There can be a
Correct,
phrase
correct.
also.
The way they are
Yeah,
placed,
yeah, yeah.
you know, if it's
Up
first,
to
that
you.
word is
Yeah.
going to come first. If
Ah.
it is up or down,
Correct,
everything matters here. So
Everything
matters. Okay.
sometimes the colors also come in, you know, the color will
Oh.
also matter. So you
Okay,
have to actually, you know, really think and connect it.
Okay, got it.
Up to you is
Ah.
correct. All right, let's go to the next one.
Heart.
Is it together? How is the heart written?
Heart.
Space.
So it is. The space could mean what?
Heartbreak.
Exactly. Heartbreak, because it is the words are separate from each other.
All these kind of words only you are guessing. What?
How many times have you done heartbroken,
None.
Chachi? Please tell us. We'd like to know heartbreak, or how many hearts you have broken also you can tell us. Heartbreak it is.
Yeah, heartbreak
All
it
right.
is.
Okay. Let's go to the next one.
Bag full of tea.
Tea bag.
Exactly. I just told you how they are placed.
This is
the
cheating.
order.
Correct.
This is not
I
cheating.
just
You
did
get
that.
it
Tea
out.
I
bag.
gave
Tea
you the
bag.
damn answer, yeah.
This is like the most direct question.
Ah, correct.
Tea
And
bag.
see, if I would have just had a cup there, you might have confused it with a coffee also.
Correct.
But because it's the kettle pouring in, it is a tea. So yes, a tea bag it is.
Yeah.
Okay. I know we are coffee lovers, but we can still guess the answer. Okay.
Give half point to me, okay? He got it because of me.
Why? You get so first time when he gave half of it, he never asked for half a point. Okay. Vibes, I tell you. Okay, let's go to the next one. Tea bag. This one was next.
Seahorse.
Seahorse.
See? So when it is colorful and you know filled with all of those things, it's very easy to recognize it. Just gives the exact example. Seahorse it is. All right. We are now on the bonus question.
Oh, shit.
2 points for this one. Let's see who gets this one.
Don't answer,
right.
okay?
Okay. You guys might have to think a bit.
Excuse me.
See? Bonus question. So many cues. Excuse me. Excuse me. You actually got that one. Yes, excuse me it is. So X, the multiple
Q's
Q's and
and
me. Yes, excuse me. This one is. All right. So before I announce the winner for today's quiz, here is the viewer's question for you guys. All right. Tell me what this one means. Okay. What is the answer for this one? Leave your answer in the comments. We will pick a random winner and connect with them to give them a special gift from All in a Game. All right. These two here, I'm sure now, by now, after answering so many questions, know the answer to this one. Let's see if you guys know it. Leave the answer. And the winner for today's quiz is Neha. Hope you guys had a brain teasing few minutes here by watching this video. Let us know in the comments how many you got right even before these guys answered it. And if you enjoyed the quiz, do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and stay updated on all our latest quiz videos. Until then, we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.